Today is day 9 of showing you my wedding dress collection. I thought we'd do something fun today and I would show you a dress that I've never seen either. It's my newest dress. Well, I actually got 2 dresses new at the same time. It's from my mom's friend and her sister-in-law. Okay, here she is. I guess this is a garment bag. That doesn't look big enough for a garment bag. I don't know what this is. Oh, I think it was for the box. This was to slide the box into. Guys. Ah! Okay, hold on. And then of course it's preserved and sealed, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to get the tape. Whoops. That worked out perfectly. I was trying to figure out how I was gonna do that without a third hand. Look at her. She's so pretty and there's a veil. Yay! Okay, I'm gonna try and get it open. Thinking scissors. It looks like they just used white duct tape. I'm gonna get scissors. I was so excited to open up this dress. This also looks like a 70s, 80s type of dress, but I'm not actually sure what year it's from. Maybe there's a date on the receipt thing. I do not see a date on here. Oh well. Also, something really exciting happened. Somebody reached out to me and they said they used to be like a bridal stylist or wedding stylist or something like that. And they have a collection of wedding gowns that they're looking to sell off. Now, I usually only spend like $10 to $25 per dress, so I have a feeling it's going to be out of my budget. But depending on how much they are, I might have some new dresses to show you. Just gonna lay this down. It's like sealed well, but also not sealed well on the top part. The tape was kind of coming loose, and I'm totally destroying my scissors. I feel like Smeagol from The Hobbit. My precious. That was creepy, sorry. Alright. Maybe this. Oh, this is so much easier. Actually, I think it was just deceptively easy for the one side, maybe. This old tape is really, really sticky. Ew! I don't want it to ruin my floors. Not their expensive floors. They're real, genuine wood look-alike vinyl flooring from the roll from Home Depot. I almost just kept the floor in here cement, so trust me, this flooring's fancy. Who would have thought it'd be so hard to get into a wedding dress? Oh my gosh. I've never had to do this before. I don't usually find dresses in really good condition like this. Usually like they're used and not only used, but they haven't been preserved and they're just hanging on a random hanger, or they're lumped into a bin somewhere where I had to dig for 20 minutes to find it. Ooh, that almost ended up in my hair. I hate that I ruined my scissors. For paper scissors, I just get the ones from the Dollar Tree and they work really great until you cover them in sticky duct tape. Okay. The tape is ridiculously sticky, so I'm just gonna kind of lay this down. And I'm gonna go find some olive oil or something to get this all off of my hands, and I will be back for the reveal. I can't wait to, I mean, I'm looking at it, but I can't wait to see all of it. That proved to be a lot harder than it should have been. You know, I'm gonna take this all out of the box and chuck the box out because the box is seriously like very, very sticky. Took a lot of olive oil and lots of paper towel and many, many hand washes to get all that sticky stuff gone. Okay, this thing needs to go bye-bye. I was going to keep it, but it's just really, really sticky. So the dress will just join the other dresses on the racks. Theoretically, I don't think there's enough room though. I wonder if my theory about this being for the box is right. Oh, it is. Look how smart I am using that deductive reasoning. Okay, there was tissue paper. I'm not sure if it's acid-free tissue paper, but either way, I'm going to keep it because I can use this for shipping. You guys, I think this is the longest veil I have. It's like a 6-foot veil. It's like, I don't know if this would be considered a 5-foot or a 6-foot veil. It's like a 6-foot veil. Ah. I don't know if this would have been worn around a bun or something. I feel like this would have been not worn like that. I feel like it would have been worn around a bun. Actually, no. I have it backwards. It would have definitely been worn this way because otherwise there'd be no way to pull this part up. So, theoretically, I think it would have been worn on a bun, like some kind of updo. And then this part would have been pulling down. Maybe this part too. I can't really see what's going on. Hold on. Interesting. There's actually a lot more layers going on than I thought there were. You know what? Maybe this one wasn't meant to be worn like this. Maybe it was just supposed to like all hang down the back. I don't really know. I'm a little mixed. Anyway, it's really pretty. There's only a very slight discoloration and one of these pearls is pinkish colored. And I'd like to think that that was on purpose because it was like a hidden little sentiment that the bride threw in there for her something pink instead of something blue. Probably not, but we're gonna pretend it's not discolored and I think it's a really cute touch. Now for the dress. Oh my gosh. Look. Oh, it's actually a short dress. I expected it to have a long train, but I really like this. It's more manageable. And it doesn't have the long sleeves. I don't know if it was made this way or if it had been altered. I feel like it was made this way because generally brides who alter things like this would have gotten rid of like the neck. Oh, I love this. And then with the long veil. Oh my gosh. Hold on, let me get you close up. Look at that. Okay, let's try her on. You guys, I'm a princess. Oh my gosh. I love this. I can't believe that brides remove this nowadays. Oh my goodness. It's pulling a little bit funny because I don't have all the buttons done up just because it's just me and I don't want to get stuck in the dress. But I was able to zip it up all the way. I was actually able to zip the dress up all the way, which was very surprising because I'm not like your typical teensy tiny bride from 4 decades ago. My body's a little more shapely, so I'm so excited that the last few dresses I've tried on actually fit me. This dress has a very thin little lining. Feels like polyester, which would be correct for the time. This also feels like polyester, which I believe would be correct for the time. Although it does have like that satin look. It's not actually, satin just talks about the weave of the fabric. The weave of the fabric. The motion of the ocean. Pretty little trim. I'm loving everything going on right here. And the sleeves, oh. And I'm usually about the huge skirts that need like a petticoat and a hoop skirt and all of that, but I am loving this skirt. It's like manageable and you can actually walk in it and like, it's brilliant. I love it. Okay, I put my hair in a bun. Let's try the veil. Dramatics. Okay, So I think theoretically that's how that would work. It'd probably be pinned in. Ooh, guys. Obviously, I don't have a maid of honor to help me right now. Okay, let's see if I can figure out the flippity flippy. Hold on, I'm gonna look in my mirror. Ooh, I love that. It's giving 80s. I'm gonna see if I can get pictures of the bride, kind of see how the veil's supposed to work. And if I get permission to share the photo, I will of course share it with you guys too. Totally. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love it, love it, love it.